Google tried to keep its new devices secret, but leaks have appeared before the planned launch event in 2024. A 30-second video comparing the Pixel 9 Pro XL to the previous model, the Pixel 8, has been leaked and is causing a buzz in the tech community. Even though Google accidentally revealed the name of its second-generation foldable phone, the leaked video gives a detailed view of how the Pixel 9 Pro XL compares to its competitors. The comparison in the leaked video shows both the similarities and differences between the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Pixel 8. It also gives a glimpse of what consumers can expect from Google's latest device. While leaks can spoil some of the surprises of the official launch, they also create excitement among tech fans. The leaked video offers a preview of what's coming in Google's flagship lineup, hinting at tough competition in the smartphone market in 2024. Google differentiates itself from competitors by continually improving its flagship designs in ways that appeal to everyday consumers. Last year's Pixel 8 Pro had subtle design changes, but the new Pixel 9 Pro XL introduces more noticeable updates. Despite these changes, both phones are similar in size, suggesting that the screen size will remain at 6.7 inches. The Pixel 9 Pro XL looks slightly thicker than the previous model. The slightly thicker design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL suggests it might have a larger battery. We can also expect major updates in areas like the camera module, corners, and side buttons. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a new rear camera bar and rounded edges, giving it a different look compared to the boxier design of the Pixel 8 Pro. It's up to consumers to choose which style they like more. Google's boldness in trying new design elements is commendable, as seen in the matte finish of the Pixel 9 Pro XL's camera module. Google's dedication to innovation and evolution in its flagship devices sets it apart in the competitive smartphone market. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to feature a substantial 16 GB of RAM, aiming to enhance AI capabilities in mobile devices. With its premium design, it is likely to have a high price, possibly around $100 for the base model with 128 GB of storage. The highest-end version, which could offer 1 TB of internal storage, might cost nearly $1,600. The high prices could be a significant financial challenge, even for dedicated Google fans. Share your thoughts on which model you prefer in the comments below. Don't forget to stay updated by checking out our channel for more news. Take care, and see you in the next update.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's some